Without further ado, Tibor from DigFin. DigFin, my bad.
Thank you very much. I apologize for late arrival. Last night was quite difficult in the morning. Yeah. So hello, I'm Thibaut, founder of DigFin, and I'm gonna present my startup right now. So have you ever applied for a mortgage? Yes, yes. Then you certainly know how much hassle it takes to get your dream house. You have to go to bank. There were plenty of paper documents, sign mortgage application form, and wait. Or you can ask your financial agent to do this job for you. In any case, it's gonna cost you lots of time and banks lots of money because they need to pay not only salaries to their employees, but also commission to your agent. So that is why we created a digital mortgage platform that allows digital transfer of data among all three parties of the mortgage market: home buyers, brokers, and banks. And because we reduce completely paper from the whole process, we dramatically reduce time to money for clients and operational costs for banks. In fact, we created a marketplace that we offer as a fully integrated white label solution that allows home buyers to apply for a mortgage directly from their mobile phone, anytime from anywhere, and brokers to sell mortgages remotely without any need to meet their clients in person. And both brokers and home buyers can send their digital mortgage applications directly to banks, who can then process them automatically. So thanks to our solution, banks can increase their market share because they can acquire new customer segments, such as millennials, tech-savvy people, or people living in remote areas who are used to apply for financial services through their mobile phones. And we increase their revenue, profit, productivity, we reduce time and costs, and on top of that, our solution has been approved by EU regulator, and we guarantee high data accuracy thanks to our algorithmic methodology. Our business model consists of three parts. We charge both banks and brokers one-time implementation fee, monthly recurring fee for the usage and maintenance, and license fee as a tiny portion of the mortgage volume that passes through our system. And the market opportunity is huge. Only in such a small country as Slovakia, we can earn up to 2 million euros yearly. And if we expand in neighboring countries, we can do it tenfold. And if we go to the whole EU, we can earn up to €500 million. And the good news is that the currently mortgage market in the EU is booming thanks to decreasing interest rates. So the timing is perfect to do it right now. Surprisingly, there are few competitors in Europe that are specialized in mortgage digitalization. We are aware of two major players, Belgic Opper and Portuguese Finsolutia. However, none of them offers 100% online application process, algorithmic methodology, and solution approved by EU regulator. In fact, we are the only digital mortgage provider in the CE region. And we started 3 years ago, and since then we made huge progress. We tested our MVP, prototype, we raised pre-seed investment, we finalized our platform, we launched it, we built our sales pipeline, and now we are ready to grow. We already have first B2B paying customers, brokerage companies. We are closing deals with first banks in Slovakia and negotiating with all major banks in the Visegrad region. And currently we are raising 250,000 euro bridge investment to increase our valuation by closing more bank deals. By the end of this year, we expect to close up to 4 bank deals, which will double our current valuation. And then we want to raise a seed investment of at least 1 million euro to accelerate our growth and expand to other countries of the CE region. And we are a team of fintech professionals. Me, myself, I have a PhD from a university in Amsterdam in economics, and I work as a researcher at the National Bank of Slovakia. My colleague who is in charge of the business development has plenty of experience with promoting and selling digital solutions, and we have fantastic development team. These 3 guys delivered banking software solutions to all the banks you can see at the bottom line. So we cover all key areas each startup needs vision, execution, development, and sales. So if you are interested in investing in my company, please come to me. I'll be very happy to meet you. Thank you for your attention.
It's me first again. I don't know why. Tibor, thanks for the presentation. Great to see some senior bankers in there from banks that I know. You mentioned this is you focus on mortgages, and mortgages is a thing that I did many times, but a typical client would do once in a lifetime. Where's the upsell? How do you get people to stay and use your platform more? Is there another product that you can sell or facilitate?
First of all, we are not doing B2C business. We are not selling mortgages. We are selling software solutions for brokerage companies or banks. So it's up to banks and brokers how to do upsell. But of course, we offer our clients or B2C clients who come to our platform upsell to financial products that are related to mortgages. We offer them consumer loans if they do not have 10 or 20% of their own resources to buy property, because LTV, loan to value, can be maximum 90%, usually 80%. And we also offer them insurance products, because when you take a mortgage, you need to insure the property you are using as a collateral, and you also can insure your capacity to pay installments. So these two insurance products are highly related with mortgages, and we offer them in our platform for the clients.
Can it be used for refinancing as well?
Yes, for all possible cases, refinancing, buying new property, or even for non-residential loan. So you just want to buy a car and get cheaper loans, so you put your flat as a collateral and you get a mortgage to buy your car, for example. All three cases are covered by our platform.
Okay, thank you for the presentation. I don't know if it is the party effect, but it was super clear. The flow was great.
Well, thank you very much.
You know, so maybe it's...
I was training yesterday in front of mirror.
Okay. There is something I didn't get very well. You said you're raising a bridge to increase valuation. So
yes,
I don't understand that. So please explain. That's number one question. And number two, about expanding to other countries, how do you plan to do it? Thank you.
So about our valuation, we expected to close the deals with banks before the summer, and then we wanted to raise immediately a seed round. However, the sales cycles in banks, unfortunately, take ages. So we have a commitment from the first bank that we will start implementing our platform in September, and we have another bank that is also highly interested in our solution. So we see that by the end of this year, we certainly close 2 banks, and probably even 4. That's the reason. Okay, so we discussed with VC funds, and they told us they would invest in our seed round only when we have a bank as a client, because it is a clear product market fit. So without bank as a client, we cannot really claim that our solution is the right market fit, but we are sure we will close bank as a client, and that's why we decided to take a bridge, close at least 2 banks that we currently negotiate the terms, and then we have a couple of investors interested in investing in us, our seed round, but not before closing a bank deal. That's the reason why we are now raising bridge. And how we want to expand, what does it mean? I have to speed up? Okay, I will answer yes, the question how we want to expand. So we see a huge potential for digitalization of mortgages in the CE region. So we want to enter new markets through fintech associations, through our partners, through agents who will represent us abroad. Okay, finish.
I don't know how short it's going to be, but you mentioned algorithmic part of the solution a few times. I didn't quite get what that does and which part of the work it replaces. Is it like the
No.
risk assessment? What is it?
It can completely replace human financial agent. A human financial agent needs to study your case, look at the Excel
So
tables.
it's in the assessment.
It's completely
Okay.
automatic way. So for each client, we can prepare customized offer thanks to our algorithm methodology. So if you apply your specific case, we will compare all banks on the market, and we will show you this is the best offer for you. And we can replace the human work by this algorithm methodology. You get it immediately for free. Thank you.